friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Wimpin chicken, a fan-made smiling critter from Poppy Playtime. So first we're going to start with the left arm that's covering the face. So we're going to start on the bottom with a curved line, arching that around and then in towards the right hand side of the page. Now from here for the finger, we're going to curve this line out and then over. Moving up above this now, we're going to curve this line up and then in, extending that further out. Moving further in now, we're going to curve this line up, bringing that across. And then for the thumb, we're just going to curve this line up and then arching that down. For the bottom of the arm now, we're going to draw a diagonal line that curves down. We're going to leave a gap, arching this line up, bending this at the elbow, bringing this across. And then now from here, we're going to connect this line together by bringing this diagonal line all the way over and connecting that in the corner. And then on the bottom, we're just going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. And now let's draw in our face underneath. So on the top, for the top of the head, we're going to curve this line around and then down. For the cheek, we're going to curve this line down and then up. And then from that point again, we're going to curve this line down and then back in. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve a small line that arches in. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right, arching this all the way around and then up. Now let's draw the nose in the center. So we're going to draw in a curved line on a diagonal. And then we're going to close this off by bringing this line out and then back up, making that slightly pointer in the middle. Let's come across now for the mouth, and we're going to curve this line down. We'll do the same thing on the left-hand side, curving that over. On the top now, we're going to bring a diagonal line that comes out. And then we'll do the same thing, curving this diagonal line up towards the top. And now on the bottom, let's close this off with a nice big arch line from left to right. In the center for the tongue, we're going to curve this line down. And then from the middle, we're going to again arch this line around and then down on the right. Let's draw in our eyes now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up. On the bottom, we're going to curve this line over. And then from that corner, we're just going to curve this line around and then in. Now we're going to draw in an oval, so we're going to arch this line around and then up. Now let's draw in the right eye. So we're going to curve this line all the way across. And then in the middle, we're going to arch this line all the way around and then down on the right. And then in the center, we're just going to draw in an oval. Now let's draw in the hair up above. So first we're going to draw in the hair tie. So we're going to curve this line in towards our first finger. And then we're going to curve this across. Moving up again, we're going to again curve this line around and then down. And now let's draw in the hair. So to the right of this, we're going to curve this line up, down, and then out towards the side of the page. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line around and then in towards the cheek. Now moving in towards the middle, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then one more time to the left, we're just going to curve this line around and then back down. Now let's draw in the right arm. So we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom, arching that in for the thumb. Let's draw in the right leg here first. So we're going to, from this point, curve this line down. We'll do the same thing on the left-hand side, curving this line down. We're going to draw in two diagonal lines that come in towards the center here. And then we're going to draw in the letter V in the middle. And now moving up above, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Now for the rest of the hand, we're going to curve this line up. And then moving up again one more time, we're going to arch this line over and then back in towards the chin. Now let's draw in the torso. So we're going to curve this line in towards our chin. Moving underneath the arm, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then stepping across, we're going to curve that over. In the middle now, we're going to draw in a cross. So we're going to draw in a letter V right in the center. We're going to bring a diagonal line out on both sides. And then from that point, we're just going to bring another diagonal line in towards the middle. From that point, we're going to bring this diagonal line out again. On the bottom, bringing this diagonal line in towards the middle. And then from that point, we're just going to bring another diagonal line up towards the top. And now for the necklace string, we're just going to draw 2 diagonal lines that come out towards the chin. Now let's continue to bring the leg up behind, curving this line in. And now let's draw in our left leg. So we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then to the left of this, we're going to bring this line out. From this line, we're going to continue to curve this out and down. And now let's draw on the foot. So starting back on this line, we're going to curve this line out and then up. Moving beside that, we're going to curve this out and then up. And then one more time, bringing this out and then back up at a point. And then we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Now let's draw on the tail. So on the top, we're going to arch this line up. From this point, we're going to curve this line down and then in. Again, from this point, we're going to arch this line down and then up. And then we're just going to curve this line in towards the back. And that is it. That's how you draw Wimpin Chicken, a fan-made smiling critter from Poppy Playtime. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.